when I'm tuning and I feel that the hammerheads are hard, I have to make them softer, and the sound in the piano is much nicer to play and listen to what you are doing. This little Kawai grand piano here, I have to voice it a little. It's a little hard, I'm gonna voice it a little to make the sound a little softer. Take this all. Always something laying on the keyboard. I am deep needling only the shoulders. I do not touch the crown. The crown is a sensitive part of the hammerhead, and one has to be careful because if we needle the crown for some reason, we risk doing too much. And we might cause some serious damage we cannot go back and fix. If that happens, we have to replace the hammerheads or the felt on the hammer. Try not to needle it too much. You have to have a feeling for this. If you're starting out, it can feel scary. But know that, just like most things, the more you do, the more experience you get and you get better at it. If your needle ever breaks in the hammer, whilst voicing, you have to take it out. It's forbidden to leave it in. Little soft into this one, not deep. Put the needle inside. But here I'm not putting them all the way into the hammer. Just a little, make it a little softer, the felt on the hammer. To take a little. Soft here too, little too hard, just little soft here, close to the top of the hammer, not in the top. I think I have to next time to just shape a little hammer, shape the hammers with a little sandpaper here, soft sandpaper. I feel it when I put the needles into the felt here in the hammers. Some are a little softer and some harder than the other one. I try it, how it sounds. Just a little softer is good. Little soft. After putting the needles into the hammer heads, the piano is softer and it's a much nicer sound in the piano. It's better when I'm tuning and I feel that the hammerheads are hard. I have to make them softer, the hammerheads. Use my voicing tools to make the felt softer, and the sound in the piano is much, much nicer. Much nicer to play and listen to what you are doing. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. I'm gonna do more videos like this. Tuning, repairing, voicing, everything. Typical day for me, tuning and voicing. I'm doing this every day. Okay, thank you very much. Take all my tools from here. So this piano is ready for teaching. Thank you very much.